how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook profile, then Facebook won't reveal individual names. You can see overall profile visit data by switching to professional mode. First, you need to open up your Facebook app. After opening, make sure that you've logged in. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to tap on your profile. Once you tap on the profile icon, as you can see that in my case, I have a professional dashboard, which means I have a professional account. But if you don't have a professional account, you can just simply go with the 3 dots, which will be on the right side. And then you need to turn on your professional mode. In my case, I have turned professional mode off. But if you've not turned on your professional mode, you need to tap on turn professional mode on, or turn on your professional mode and turn it on. Once you turn on your professional mode, you need to just go back, and then on your profile, you will have your dashboard. You need to tap on the dashboard, and from the dashboard, you will have all of the information. You'll be able to choose visit profiles. You'll see total visit counts, trends over time, and demographic breakdowns of your audience and followers. This gives you a clear picture of how many people and which types of people are viewing your account without showing specific names. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.